Hello students. Students for class 10, though we are continuously taking classes on Zoom app, but children are complaining as everybody is unable to connect themselves with us on Zoom app. So we decided to send small videos to you through which we can make things comfortable and easily understandable for you. Children, today I am going to begin with the first chapter of your syllabus, the letter to God. In this chapter, the story is about unshakable faith. The story is about belief on God, which a farmer called Lencho has shown and proved in the story very well. The story starts where Lencho, a farmer who lives in a valley, was the only one who has worked very hard with his farming and has got very grooming crop around him. It was the crop of the corn. He was very happy and excited to see his crop as the crop has come up very well. He, after observing his crop, said to his wife that this year we have got wonderful harvest and we will going to earn maximum benefit out of it. Because he was very much sure that this time the harvest will going to give him a lot of money. Then he looked towards the sky and said that, small clouds are coming around, which mean that he is expected to get some raindrops, he's expecting few raindrops, and he thought that these raindrops will going to make this crop more better, because he knew it that the crop which he was about to harvest needs bit of water to give it a better and a relishing feeling. So he thanked God for bringing up those clouds. But then he was not aware about one thing, that these clouds will going to bring hailstorm. After some time, after few hours, he noticed that the clouds are building dark. The clouds have become grey in the sky. And he came out of his house when he saw that it has started raining, but suddenly those raindrops changed into big hailstones. He has two small children. They went out, they enjoyed that, it started raining, and they went out, they started enjoying the rain. And then when it turned into hailstones, they got more excited. Now we are able to see the ice around, how beautiful it is. But then on the other hand, he and his wife got worried, because they knew it very well that the hailstorms will going to destroy their harvest, will going to make their crop worst, will going to ruin their crop. And it actually happened. The hailstorms kept on falling from the sky for some time, until unless it became the scene like a white snow, or you can say white salt has been spread into the whole crop. The complete crop was ruined. He became sad. He became upset. Now he felt helpless, because his dream was almost gone and his crop was completely destroyed. Now in the next video I'll share what happened after that, how his belief won. Thank you, children.